everyone, we are back with another video, and today we are here at Windrock Park, just outside of Knoxville, Tennessee.
Yeah, we decided to take a little quick trip on this Memorial Day weekend. We also stopped by and did something else along the way here, which you'll be seeing in a future video. Very excited about that. But yeah, we're gonna take the YXZ out on these trails. Probably start with just like moderate stuff, see how it handles. We haven't taken the YXZ on any serious trails before, so this will be its first.
Yeah, can't wait. So go ahead.
All right, so we just made it to our first major landmark. It's called a failed radar base, as you can see behind us.
Failed?
Yeah, it says failed.
Oh.
Yeah.
So yeah, failed radar base. It's off of G53 now. It's been about what two hours or so of riding so far. It says it was an easy trail. I mean, it was all right. I don't know if it would be super easy.
Yeah, it wasn't super. There was super easy parts, but there was also some pretty
steep hills and like weird holes that you could fall into.
There was like a spot with like the deteriorated road where there was like major potholes and obstacles going uphill.
And with the clutch. Yeah,
having the clutch, like having to keep momentum and get up over it was a little challenging. But the Yamaha handled it really well.
Yeah, it was pretty fun. We made it to the radar base. It's super foggy. We're literally in the clouds right now. So yeah, hopefully we'll get some cool footage.
Yep, we'll take a look around. Okay, so we tried going to the great overlook, but it was ultra foggy up there. So instead we found this overlook.
Super nice, very beautiful.
Super beautiful.
It's right off of G50.
Yeah, G50.
Yeah,
yep.
G50, right before it turns into G53. So super nice overlook. Can see tons of mountains and yeah, really nice out here.
All right, so we just had lunch at the Windrock Grill, and now we were recommended to go try out Trail 22, so that's what we're gonna do. It's supposed to have like nice waterfall features and stuff like that. It's supposed to be a moderate trail, and we've already done moderate, so the Yamaha should have no problem there.
We'll see. I'm excited. All right, so got a little, are we stuck, you think?
A little bit.
We're a little stuck. Made it through these giant rocks. It doesn't look like a lot on camera, but these boulders, pretty crazy, making up this rocky hill. Tried to go up this big thing.
Are we sure we went the right way?
Yeah, we're on G22. This is the creek bed with all the rocks. All right, so we just got back from Trail 22.
Yeah.
What happened, babe?
I must have banged it too hard.
Well, first of all, we banged the crap out of it, like on those crazy rocks. I think our camera died. I don't think we got great video
right
of
when
it.
we got to that rock bed.
Yeah, it was difficult.
I think we must have missed the bypass or something, because that rock garden was, I don't know how unmodified side by side can make it. I had to like stack rocks to kind of give ourselves a chance of getting over some boulders.
Yeah.
But we made it. The Yamaha made it on stock size tires and wheels.
Well, three quarters.
Yeah.
3 out of 4 tires made it. This one needs to be replaced, but as you can see, we got a little dirty out there. Everything else looks good, right?
Yeah. All the end links and tie rod ends look good.
Yeah, you thought the tire rod.
Yeah, I thought we snapped the tie rod because it was pulling so hard on the way back.
Yeah, on the way back, I was like, what? Is that a helicopter? It was a freaking flat tire. But yeah, that was pretty fun. It was difficult, but super fun. Yamaha made it. We made it.
Yeah. So that is a wrap on our Windrock trip. We got cut short because apparently we got a flat tire. Thankfully, it's only a flat tire though, because while we were driving back down the mountain, it was pulling super hard to the right. I could have swore it was a broken tie rod. But luckily it's only a flat, and we'll be able to upgrade tires now. Make some of this a little bit easier next time we come out.
Yeah, it was super fun. We were on that Trail 22. Thankfully, that was the last thing we did. Not the first thing, because then if we would have got on a flat in the beginning of the day, that would have been a huge bummer.
Yeah.
At least we got to do about, what, 6 hours of riding today, which was pretty good. It was a lot of fun, you know. So just like a brief overview about Windrock is very organized. I would say that was my first impression. Super
everything's
organized.
well marked. They got a great system going.
Yeah, great system, well marked. The general store is great. They have everything you might need. They have a little grill. You know, they sell burgers, chicken tenders, stuff like that. We got some lunch there. We're gonna go wash the side-by-side right now. They have a pressure washing station. So first impression of this place is that it's super nice. As you're driving into the Windrock Park, you can see all of these cabins, and they're different sizes, different shapes, different styles. You know, there's cabins, RVs, little houses. Next time we come back, that's definitely the way to go. We actually rented an Airbnb, not too far, maybe like 10 minutes away, but if you can rent a cabin or a little place that's on the property, that's just would be so much easier, and they look really, really nice. But overall, we had a great time, amazing views, a beautiful day today. I know we have our hoodies on, but it was like, you know, 50s, 60s today, which is not too hot. But we had an amazing time.
Yeah, and I'm super impressed with the Yamaha. It handled everything out here that we took it on, except for apparently a rock puncture, but I mean, you can't really help that. But it impressed me big time. Like, it's super fun to drive. It's engaging to be shifting throughout the trails. Definitely impressed.
Yeah, super fun. So we'll see you guys next time. Make sure you guys like, subscribe. We're gonna be more active. We promise. We'll be more active. We'll be posting new videos soon. We are going to be going to Texas soon as well. So we'll be back on those trails and taking the Yamaha back out, and maybe a new dirt bike for the first time.
Yeah, maybe.
We'll see what happens. All right. Thank you.